Hello everybody, this is the basics of Scratch coding, level 1. This is the basic code that I see whenever somebody shows me, is this. When you clicked forever, wait 1 second, to random position, which moves the cat to a random position, as you can see. It does work, but it's more of a video or a movie, because you can't really control it. Okay, so here's the cat too, the other cat that I just have that's not moving because it relies on the arrow keys, as you can see. Oh, it shows in the bottom, the keys I'm clicking. That's reliable. Okay. Now that you know what keys I was clicking, and you don't really have to rely, because it's built into the video program I'm using, that I can turn that on and off. That's why you see whenever I tap this screen, you can see those little dots. That's because I turn on show clips and clicks, taps, and buttons. That way you can actually see what I'm clicking. Now, let's do something. The default background is nothing, and it shows up white on the screen. But today, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the XY grid. That goes up to 240x in both ways, and 180y in both ways. The cat's still going. Now, we're gonna add some sound, because that stupid pop noise, it's just not enough. Because if I go, it's only this. What is that? Now for games I usually use the loop series, because it's actual sound, like and you can see the whole thing. This is it, so you can copy and delete, and you can also do this stuff like, and you can absolutely corrupt it. Now, I'm gonna go to backdrop, do this little sound thing, and now it's gonna play it forever. Now later in the series of learning how to code, we're gonna talk about these blocks. But we're not making them right now, because they're used for more advanced things. But we will talk about variables today, such as you can make it show the X and Y location of anything that you want. So, by that moving cat, we're just gonna go to this one, and do this code right here. Pretty simple. There you go. And wada bing, wada bing. When that's there, it's gonna show. So, at the current time, it's at 51.18 and 6.11. Well, sadly the Scratch engine down here cannot do exactly down to the decimal. You know, tenths and hundredths of an area. It just rounds it up. So rounds it up and rounds it down. Right now it's rounding it down. But that's the basics of Scratch. I hope that you learned something. If you want something a little bit better, go to level 2, because that will be talking about more things that you can do with variables, adding badges, and even adding and using how to use these message blocks, the look blocks, operators, and my blocks at some point. Oh, don't forget about the add-ons. And don't worry, at some point we're gonna be talking about these operators because one time I made a whole entire calculator using these. It only took like 10 minutes, but it's a calculator. It works. You can break it though because it doesn't work that great anymore because of the scratch update. It kind of yeah, it's pretty outdated. It's only like a year old, almost a year old probably. I think maybe like December. Well, have a great rest of your day. And hopefully you can learn how to code one day. See ya.